If something is handmade, what does that really mean? Is it the everyday contact with a tool which we use to create possibilities and bring ideas to life? Is it effort? Or is it passion? Is it expressing feelings transferred by touch? Contact with the things you value and those you love. What would we be without our hands? They give and take, express commitment, sometimes hard, sometimes gentle. They guide, direct, and connect. Yet there's more. Our hands really are guided by feelings, ideas, and visions. They come from our hearts, our dreams, flow from our imagination. Our hands make all these things tangible, visible, give them shape. For us at CLAAS, this is what handmade means.